Hikvision JBL-BZ2HK8308 Fire Alarm Control Panel. Control Panel Introduction. First, two 12-volt 17-ampere-hour batteries, power supply, backup power switch, main power switch. Second, the L-positive and L-negative signal buses of the loop board are used to connect field devices. A control panel can be equipped with up to 8 loop boards, and one loop can connect up to 250 devices. Third, main control interface board, fire alarm relay output, normally open, terminal contact capacity DC 30 volt/1 ampere, RS-485-1 port is connected to the UITD device, RS-485-2 port is connected to workstation, RS-485-3 port is connected to the broadcast control panel. The protocol of each 485 port can be set in the panel menu settings. CAN port is used for master-slave network of fire alarm control panel. These 4 jumper caps correspond to RS-485-1, RS-485-2, RS-485-3, and CAN ports, respectively. The CAN port jumper cap needs to be adjusted to off when the controller is in the middle position when the master-slave network is connected, and needs to be adjusted to on when it is at the beginning and end. Fourth, core board program storage. Light keyboard displays the current status of the controller. Main control button, multi-line panel 8 channels. Controller debugging. First, registration, press the menu key, enter the password 1234. And select 4 to debug. Press F2 to start bus device registration. After registration, enter the loop number to view the registration result. Second, check the registration result, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, and select 0 to view. The green mark indicates the registered and normal device. The horizontal 0 to 25 represents the 10-digit, and the vertical 1 represents the unit digit. Third, change the duplicate code. When the device has a duplicate address, the indicator light of the device will flash quickly and the panel will also report a duplicate code fault. At this time, you can use the panel to modify the device address of the duplicate address. Press the menu key to enter the password 1234 and select 4 to debug the address setting. Fill in the device ID to be modified and the new address to complete the address modification work. Fourth, device activate, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, select 1 to operate manual start and stop. You can enter the building area code by device type, select the device to be started, press F2 to start, or you can start by loop and address. Fifth, device shielding, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, and select 1 to operate the shielding setting. You can shield a single device or the entire loop, or shield an event on the controller or a certain type of device. Sixth, node setting, press the menu key to enter the password 1234 and select 2 to set the node setting. Enter 01 for the device type to set the smoke sensitivity. Enter 21 for the device type to set the fire display panel mode. Enter 16 for the device type to set the module parameters. After the parameter setting is completed, press F2 to save and then press F3 to issue. Seventh, bus relationship definition, press the menu key to enter the password 1234 and select 3 programming, loop display relationship, define the device in this interface, press F2 to save. After defining the secondary code, select bus display. Relationship, you can define the startup device on the bus button. One button can use the multiplied by wildcards Q code to define multiple similar devices. 8. Linkage test. Press the menu key to enter the password 1234 and select 3 programming. The linkage formula programming is as shown in the figure. It means that the photoelectric detectors with the circuit addresses 1, 2, and 3 in the first floor, first fire zone, and first smoke zone of the first building, if any 2 of them detect a fire alarm, the smoke exhaust fan with the circuit address 4 in the first floor, first fire zone, and first smoke zone of the first building will be triggered, and the output delay time is 000 seconds. 9th, machine number setting, press the menu key to enter the password 1234 and select 3 to program the machine information setting. The machine number setting range is 0 to 99. Machine number 0 is a single machine mode without networking. Machine numbers 1 to 99 can be set as master and slave machines as needed. The CAN communication rate can be selected as the factory default 20,000. The entire system networking must ensure that the CAN rates of all controllers are consistent. After the setting is completed, press F2 to save. Board settings, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, select 2 to set the board settings, press OK to start the board settings. At this time, the controller will automatically detect the connected bus disk and multi-line disk and light up the indicator light on the disk. Press any button on the disk and the indicator light will go out, indicating that the registration is successful. Environmental curve viewing, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, and select 0 to view the environmental curve. Enter the circuit number and address number of the smoke or heat sensor to be viewed and press F3 to start. The upper right corner will display the current value, initial value, and threshold of the device. The initial value is the device calibration value, and the current value is the value detected by the current device. If the threshold is exceeded, an alarm will be triggered. Take the smoke sensor in the video as an example. As the smoke continues to blow in, the current value continues to rise. When it exceeds the threshold, an alarm event will be reported. Modifying the device sensitivity will affect the device's alarm threshold. View historical events, press the menu key, enter the password 1234, and select 0 to view historical events, which are divided into fire alarm historical events, linkage historical events, and all historical events. In all historical events, press F2 to print historical events within a period of time.